Hello friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well. Welcome back to my channel with another very beautiful video of hand embroidery designs for dresses. Guys, this video contains a very beautiful and impactful design ideas that is, you are guessing it very right from the beginning, that is borderline embroidery designs. All of these borderline embroidery designs are elegant, beautiful, creative, and eye-catchy at the same time because borderline embroidery patterns are the designs that you have been liking the most. And in most of my videos, you have been requesting me to share borderline embroidery patterns with you. So in the continuation of my previous video, this video is here with you along with some new and stylized patterns of borderline embroidery that could be equally used for tablecloth, for and towels, for bed sheets, for cushion covers. Even you can also use these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery in order to make your laces, in order to beautify your dresses, in order to decorate the four corners of your shawl, stroller, scarf, or sari pallus, or blouse sleeves, or blouse necklines, or different type of stylized patterns of your kurti. Or even you can also design them in a slit type manner of your dress. Like in other words, we can say that Karidar suits could also be made with the help of these very beautiful patterns of borderline embroidery. All I want is, and all I request to you is to do share these um, designs with the ones who are lovers of hand embroidery. And the beauty and creativity is unique in itself because you can equally use them for machine embroidery and even for different type of stylized patterns of liquid embroidery as well. So computerized embroidery could also be done by using these patterns. I recommend you to do like my video if you really like the ideas, and in the comment section let us know what you want us to share with you in our new and upcoming videos. Your suggestions are the only way through which we can improve and get up to the level of your interest and choices. And if you have already subscribed, you can subscribe from as many as other devices so that we could grow up into a large and remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for the more new upcoming videos onto my channel. Up till then, don't forget to like,